still in Jamaica. Yeah, I'm getting my hair out. You like it? No? Me neither. Protective styles, okay? No, it's not even really a protective style. Just want my curl. So bored. My mom's going to Latry. It's her last day in Jamaica, so she asked me to go with her. Her miserable self. So I'm gonna do that today. I flat iron this one way too much. There we go. My daddy's working. Yes, he's there. Just walked a little bit because it's so boring. You have to get out the house and do stuff, you know? So it's currently what I'm doing. They just built a school right beside us. Yep, that's a school. And this is a police officer's house. That's a police officer's house. And that's the school. This is the bush I always take pictures by because it's like the prettiest thing or background. Can you? Cha. Cha. These damn bugs. Cha. Almost stepped in doo-doo. Now I'm back to bed.
The Women of Investigation Discovery are brought to you by
Anyhow, I got some stuff to do before I go. So I'm going to take care of that. And yeah. Yeah, it's not looking. I mean, I technically am, but there I'm definitely looking. Still getting used to this. I thought it was gonna be so much more weirder. I guess like when it's just like me and my own situations, it's not so bad. But I guess when I'm like in public and I'm like the only one walking with my camera, it's like, this is not weird.
Moisturizers and proteins from the Resurrection Plan to bring skin back to life. 84% saw an improvement in skin texture in 5 days. Gold Bond, strength and resilience.
Do you owe the IRS? Have years of unfiled tax returns?
I love my curls. My dad's like, oh, you look like a baby again.
You are not alone.
And everybody's like, oh my god, you have your grandmother's hair. My dad's grandma, not my mom's mom. I mean, my dad's grandma, not my mom's mom. Not the one that just passed away. My other grandma died when I was 6. She died a while back. Like a while back. But yeah, I'm gonna go take care of that. So I will talk to you guys when I link up with my mom and we head on our journey to the country. Alright, see you guys soon. On our journey to country, we made a pit stop at my aunt's house. Making a video.
By the way, you did a wonderful job. You did a great job. I'm proud of you, man.
I recorded it.
And so
You
you
should
saying,
see
okay,
it.
come on, everybody should move to the side. You did a great job. Very good job. I'm really proud of you. Tried.
Hello. No, Topaz was just here. She's in the pink shirt. She's gonna be coming back. Yeah, she's gonna be coming back. She's not leaving.
What's your name?
Zoe. Hi. Hi. Oh Oh god. So funny. I just said hi to this little girl and she was like full of attitude. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, it's not on you. Now it is. Hi. It's a video.
Snap it.
It's a video.
And
Yes.
this is a video
Yes. With my Auntie Rita.
And Zoe Brand. We are having fun. Aren't
Yes, we are now that the
And
funeral's over.
She's getting her what? Her
My drops. I got my
Right.
drops to go.
And there is sugar cane, and there is what else?
There was rum cake.
rum
There was
cake,
pudding.
pudding.
Beans.
Beans.
I get no beans.
Well, our mommy gets it all. And mommy will know what to do with it.
Yeah, no, I'm not getting none. I'm not a favorite child.
Okay. Put the bag mango there.
I'm not a favorite child.
We don't go and put name.
I'm an adopted child.
Pick up this.
Yeah,
Okay, so this is for Valerie. You are an adopted girl.
that's right.
I know I should have done yesterday, but I had to sit on.
If it's gonna make that at the stone and he can't pay it, so Joey, where you get cake?
Excuse me? I don't have any
She's
cake.
taping these things. You
Yes,
know.
I
You have to
am.
Be careful what you're saying, because she's taping it.
That's usually Omar's job.
I
Where did she go?
He's laughing.
Oh shit, Karen.
What the heck? Can I get the cake, please? Like you came in the way.
So somebody was looking for her. So
Over that house. Remember Karen that used to be
My
going
family's so mean.
we can't go for you.
Thanks, doll. Thank you, Auntie Rita. You're the best.
So wait, Lily never get any.
You get cake?
Exactly.
So you don't get no jobs neither. You have to go to Sibyl. I say you have to see Sibyl.
Yeah, but me not the time that you have to go.
We have to go and see her.
We have to go.
And wave.
It's okay, we gotta go. We have to go.
We can't market. Don't market.
No, we can't go back to market now. You know, at two country we have to
We're
go
gonna
now.
drive on first road.
No, we're going now, right there.
Are you leaving when?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, so tomorrow we take it.
Tomorrow morning. May come by half. May come back by half. We don't know yet because we better go in tap.
Alright, come back there for me, can only and show us.
Alright. And then walk up on with the boiled egg. She still walk up on with the boiled egg?
What boiled leg?
She said boiled egg.
Bye, Topaz. Have a safe flight.
Alright, Miss Jamaican.
Hey, people. I'm home and I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Sorry I didn't record on my journey today. It was boring. So I didn't need to capture any footage. The most funnest part was at my aunt's house because it wasn't anybody that I knew that I wanted to see today. And the people that I was with were very annoying. So, yeah. So anyhow, I'm going to my bed now. I'm so tired. Until the morning time. Thanks for watching. What you say? I'm okay. What you say?